Hello guys, welcome ulit sa Tower PH TV. So we're back sa pag-unwrap ng action figures. So actually this came from my sister. It's loose, not really loose kasi nakaseal pa siya, no? Pero wala siyang box. So I call it a loose figure from One Piece. Yan, so character from One Piece. So let's assemble this guys and check it out after our intro.
Ladies and gentlemen.
So yun guys, as said, this is a figure from One Piece, and with the looks of it, mukhang medyo ano siya, knock-off figure, but still looks cool, looks good. So let's try to open it. And since nga wala siyang box din, so naka-plastic lang siya. And yun, looking at it guys, quality and sana niya, most likely this knock-up, hindi siya yung mga original sets or pieces, but looking at the parts of it, medyo kung maganda rin naman siya. So just have to put some of these aside. The 3 swords, and so the body, and it has 2 head pieces na pwedeng palitan. So let's remove all of these and start putting them up together. Start with the lower part. So yun, pag tinignan mo yung quality niya guys, this more of like a PVC type, medyo plasticky yung dating niya, but color wise, siguro one thing you can see sa mga knockoffs, no, yung quality ng color niya medyo may pagka-dull ng konti. Not really seen sa camera kasi medyo nagre-reflect yung light, so medyo shiny and glossy siya, but if you look sa live or sa actual niya, medyo dull yung color niya. And yun, so yung mga parts, may mga ano rin yun, like this one, yung piece na to, so medyo may mga excess pieces dun sa pagkakagawa sa kanya. And overall quality, yan, medyo marami siyang, hindi naman masasabing damage, but more on imperfections, or medyo may mga konting dumi sa pagkakagawa. Now when we put these things together, let's try to put the pieces. Dahil wala siyang manual, hulaan lang natin, no? So I'm not sure if it will fit like so. So hindi pala siya belt, yung nakita natin kanina na may parang texture na hindi siya belt. And let's put this head muna. We just follow yung mga grooves. So yun, no? Medyo compared dun sa mga original or mga higher quality, mas madaling i-set up or ikabit as compared to this one. Medyo yan, like yung sa headpiece, not sure if you're able to see it. Adjust natin yung camera. So yung sa headpiece, may groove siya pero hindi pa rin siya perfectly nag-align. So I think hanggang doon lang talaga siya. So you see yung gap and yung lining dun sa may neck, hindi masyadong kita. Let's try the other head piece and just follow the groove then. Yeah. So this one a little closer, medyo nawala yung parang a hole, but yung lining dun sa neck and going around, yep, you still also see yung mga imperfections sa pagkaka-create sa kanya, no? Pagkakakat. And yung lagi itong naglulus, so something to watch out. So this video is not to promote yung mga knockoffs, no. This was just requested to me na i-unwrap or i-unbox and i-build. But still, if you are a collector, and one thing I can say about this one is yung ano niya, yun. So parang hindi rin, hindi ko lang kung baliktad or hindi natin lang kung paano natin pag-abutin yan. So I'm not sure if there's original art piece na ganito, but if you look for, you're looking for something na and about Roronoa-Zoro, let's see kung yep. So that's there. And this one goes to his mouth. And because Roronoa-Zoro brings 3 blades or 3 swords. Now there really is no parang instruction on how to put this, no. So I'm not sure how we will put this one. Wala rin sa mga pins or grooves, and as I said, there's no box, so wala din tayo talagang paglalagyan. But in itself, yeah, I think the figure looks good, except for the quality talaga. Halatang halata yung pagka-knock off imperfection sa mga paints, mga chippings, yung loose yung body, hindi perfectly and aligned. Then siguro yun na rin yung the lack of instructions on how to put these, or I'll just say na baka let's try to just do this like so. Ayan. So yeah, medyo mas mas okay tignan, but I'm not sure if it's that is really how it's placed. So baka nga ganun siya nilalagay, no? But yeah, put the last piece there. Yeah, overall the design looks really great. If you're a fan of Roronoa-Zoro One Piece, it's a good piece to add to your collection. But if you have the money, then go for the original one. Yep. But if you just want something to display openly, hindi ka matatakot kahit mawala or may kumuha or ma-damage, yeah, this one is good for that. But yun nga, if you are a collector and if someone sees you have this, medyo for me medyo up lang din talaga siya, kasi nga the quality. And yun, I think if you're an artist, you can still do something about it. You can do some improvements on the paint job, and as for the quality, I think it is what it is. And just put some glue para medyo tumagal siya. Yun, that's something for, I think, for someone who knows his crafts, to make improvements for this one. But for simple collectors, if knockoffs are okay for you, to you guys, and you can check on this one. But the design itself, kung merong makikita kayo na na original, then go for the original one, kasi ang ganda ng design niya, and ang ganda nung form, yung form niya. yun lang, medyo pangit lang yung quality. But overall, I think I can give this 6 out of 10 for figure collectors. So yan guys, big shoutout again sa aking kapatid na si Rita. Pinabuo niya to, and I'm not sure where she got this, but this looks good. Just of course it's a knock-off. And yun, so also big shoutout sa ating mga members na sina BF Angel Mendoza in Seoul, and si BF Geb, si Hampas Lupong Burgess. So please subscribe to their channels and watch their videos. And yun, big shoutout, and kamusta na rin po sa ating mga friends na si Daddy HLJ, and si Mommy Bel Sato, and si Mommy Mad Selen. And again, big shoutout sa ating mga kaibigan na mukbangers, ASM artists, content creators, vloggers, gamers, trading card collectors, and figure collectors. Yun. So I'm not promoting anything na knock-off na yun, medyo cheap, but it's still up to you. I just made a video of this one. It's a good comparison na rin para makita nyo yung quality ng mga knock-offs and yung mga originals. So hanggang dito na lang guys. If you're interested to these kinds of videos, please do subscribe to our channel, Tower PH TV, where we talk about different types of collections and investments. And yun, don't forget to hit that notification bell para ma-notify kayo pag meron tayong mga bagong videos. And yun, promote ko na rin po yung ating sa pang channel, Tower PH Gaming, where we upload most of our mobile games. Yun, mahilig po tayo sa Mobile Legends. So hanggang dito lang po. Again guys, this is Albert Remo from Tower PH TV. Kita-kita po ulit tayo sa ating po mga susunod na videos.
Ladies and gentlemen.